Physical activity means bodily movement produced by skeletal muscles that requires energy expenditure. Regular physical activity is proven to help prevent and manage non-communicable diseases such as heart disease, stroke, diabetes, and several cancers. Some benefits of physical activity are: 1. Improve your memory and brain function. 2. Improve your quality of sleep. 3. Reduce feelings of anxiety and depression. 4. Maintain muscle strength and balance. 5. Aids weight loss. 6. Increases flexibility. 7. Increase your energy levels. So, start doing more physical activities and stay healthy.